Hello everyone, this is Varun Dubey. I am going to explain you how to use the member review plugin and what are the general features it offers. Inside the general setting, we have offered multiple reviews options, which allows any users to include multiple reviews for a particular profile. You can also display the review button on the member header. It's optional, you can enable or disable it. And when someone is submitting any review, you can enable auto approval, or you can also hold those reviews to check by the admin, and after that one those reviews can be public. So rating on the member directory, you can also enable or disable the rating display on the member directory. By default, all the rating assigned to the member are also displaying on the member directory page. When someone has got a review, admin will be notified and the members will also be notified. On a particular page, how many reviews you are planning to display, you can also have a better control on that one. And we had included these functionalities role based, like who can include the add the reviews, or on which type of profile based on user roles a review can be submitted. Okay, these are the general configuration. And similar to that one, we have one more criteria options, like you can include ratings based on different criteria. By default, we are coming up with the member response and the member skill. You can change them as per your requirement, and you can also include another one, and they will get ratings like 5-star rating on response, 5-star rating on the member skill. So a cumulative rating will be displayed on the profile. And for the display one, you have a control like how you are willing to display those ratings as a golden color or some different color. We are also giving you a option like you can change the review to the feedbacks or anything how you want, like testimonials. So members can share some feedback, testimonials about their other members, like that one. So the label control is a frequent thing which you can use, that's why it's included as an option. Okay, now we are moving to the front end to check how it will look like. It's a BuddyPress installation. I have created a couple of members using the member default data plugin. I'm just going to a particular profile and add some reviews. And we have also given an option like suppose that it could be a little bit more truth statement for a person, so might be they do not like that person has said something about me. So you can also send your feedback or testimonials without disclosing your name. The review is submitted, the header got the star rating like this one, and review will be displayed like this one here. And on the directory page, it will display like 5-star rating. I'm going to include a review on another person. Like this one. Okay, the next functionality we have here. Right now I have enabled the multiple reviews, so if I am planning to include one more review here, so the rating will be auto updated based on the submission of this one. Submitting as without disclosing my name, it will be submitted like this one, so your photo or name will not be disclosed there. Hopefully you like the plugin functionality. If you have any issues to use that one, let us know. We will try to include those features and try to improve our plugin in our future update as well. Thank you.